This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः अथवा बृहस्पतिवासरः निज अश्विन शुद्ध षष्ठी दिनांक 22 अक्टोबर 2020 सहस्रयोगम रामबाण रस शंखं चक्रं जलौकान् ददतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यांशकपरिविलसन् मौलिमम्भोगनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिता अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विश्वश्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यथार्यं पतनोद्दिशः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वराः अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्रेच्छत्मुनि सप्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। रामबाण रस कुठपर्यंत आला होता आठवत आहे का? रामबाण रस द्वितीय फोर्थ द्विनिष्कं रसकं चैव गौरी पाषाण निष्ककं धत्तुरबीजं निष्कार्तं पिष्टा तत्पत्रवारिण बुद्धप्रमाणवटिकाङ्गुलेन सह भक्षये सर्वं शीतज्वरं हन्यात् रामबाण रसोत्तमः सर्वशीतज्वर स रसक गौरी पाषाण धत्तुर बीज रामबाण रस 4 पारदं चैकभागं च द्वौ भागौ गन्धकस्य च हिङ्गुलस्य त्रयो भागाः चतुर्भागाश्च दन्तिनः वनचित्रकसारेण यामो षट्कन्तु मर्दयेत् मरिचावां वटीं दद्यां नाक्षिकेण आर्द्रकेण वा रामबाणरसो नाम सर्वज्वरकुलान्तकः। We are at number 25, Jvarankusharas. Okay, so let us go. Okay, we'll start with Jvarankusha. रसस्य द्विगुणं गन्धं गन्धकतुल्यं तु टङ्कणं रसतुल्यं विषं योज्यं मरिचं पञ्चधा विषात् कट्फलं दन्तिबीजं च प्रत्येकं मरिचान्वितं ज्वराङ्कुशो रसो ह्येष चूर्णयेत् याममातरकं नाशैकेन निहन्त्याश ज्वरमुग्रं त्रिदोषजम्. So as I said, the Jvarankusha which is available in the market is Shrungabhasma and Chikatu. So this is not the part available in the market. This also is fine. Don't know whether this is available in the market. So Parada 1 part, Gandhaka 2 part, Tankana 2 part, Rasatulyam Visham. So Visha Vatsanad 1 part. Katphalam Danti Bijancha Pratyekam Marichanvitam. Maricham Panchada Vishat. So 5 types. So this is for Sannipata Jvara, Tridosha Jvara. In Rasandra Sara Sangraha, Rasa Raja Sundara and Rasachandamsha. So this might be available. महाज्वरांकुशरस शुद्धसूतं विषंगन्धं धूर्तबीजं समम्. चतुर्णां विगणं व्योषं चूर्णं गुञ्जा प्रमाणकं जम्बीरकस्य रसे जम्बीरकस्य स्वरसे चार्दकस्य रसे गीतं महाज्वराङ्कुशो नाम ज्वराणाम् अन्तको भवेत् शुद्धसूत विष गन्ध धूर्त बीज त्रिभिः समम् चतुर्णां द्विगुणं व्योषं चूर्णं गुञ्जा प्रमाणकं जम्बीरकस्य स्वरसे चार्दकस्य रसे गीतम् व्योष चतुर्णां द्विगुणं व्योषम्. So this becomes 6 part, and then the Vyosha should be 12 parts. They have, it doesn't say anything about Dviguna. Shuddha Suta Visha Gandha is one part each. Dhurta Bija Trivisamam is 3 part, that is fine. And Chaturunam Dvigunam Vyosham. So Vyosha is double of all these 4. So it should be 12. चूर्णं गुंजा प्रमाणकं जम्बीरकस्य स्वरसे चातुर्कस्य रसे. So Kutika to be made in Jambira Swarasa, Jambiraka Swarasa and Ardraka Swarasa and make into pills in the size of 1 gunja each. Sarvajvara. So this is better part to prepare. Vaishajya Ratnavali, Bruhandikantu Ratnakara and Dasaraja Sundara. Ramabana Rasa third. Hingulam Mushika Vashanam Chatushan Manata Kramat. वर्धयित्वा तु सुश्लक्ष्णं स्वर्णपत्रस्वरे रसेन वा गुञ्जापात्रं प्रेमजीत शर्करायाः विशेषतः रामबाणमिति ख्यातं सर्वशीतज्वरापहं Viragnakalpa. Yeah, without Hindu. But Parada and Gandhaka is there. So Mushika Pashana. What is Mushika Pashana? चतुष्षण् मानतक्रमात् मर्दयित्वा तु सुश्लक्ष्णं स्वर्णपत्ररसेन वा गुञ्जामात्रम् सर्वशीतज्वर. रामबाणरस fourth. विनिष्करसिकं चैव गौरीपाषाणनिष्ककम् दत्तूरबीजं निष्कार्धं पृष्ट्वा तत्पत्रमारिणा मुद्गप्रमाणगुटिकां वटिकां कुलेन सह सर्वं शीतज्वरं हन्यात् रामबाणरसोत्तमः. गोदत्ति. I'm not sure. Whether it is Godanti. Can't say. Mushika Pashana, that was. Godanti has nothing to do with Mushika. Why it is called as Godanti, this is again a different issue. The Gauri Pashan is well known. Sarva Shita Jwaram Hanyat Ramabana Rasottama. So in all Shita Jwara, this is a part. Ramban Ras fifth. Paradhanchaika Bhagan Dvacha Dvabhago Gandhakasya cha Nigudasya Trayo Bhagas Chaturbhagascha Dantinaha. Vanachitraka Sarena Yama Shatkantu Mardayet. Marichavam Vatim Dadyam Makshikena Ardrikena Va Maramabana Raso Nama Sarvajvara Kulantaka. So Parada, Gandhaka and Hingula also. Hingulakasya Trayobhaga, 1, 2, 3 parts. Danti 4 parts. The size of one Maricha with the about drugs and with Vanachitraka for a period of 6 yam and administered internally with Madhu or Ardhaka Sparasa. Sarvajvara. Shita Naga Nagankusha Rasa. Samshuddham Akupashanam. Here again it is Akupashanam. Shuddha Akupashana. Mushika Pashana. Karpuram Samabhagikam. तुला कुठे काय सापडतं का? गौरी पाषाणाचा प्रकार. It's a type of Gauri Pashana only. Karpuram Samabhagikam. Karavelli Rasvam Naiva. Rasainaiva. Yam Matram Vimardet. Rajasarshapa Matrena. Bulikan Kare Dushak. Takrena Savadatakam. Takranam Gurelagam. Shitanagan Kusho Nama Drushtam Ishvara Nirmitam. Nagankusha. There is no direct mention of any disease. Shita Nagankusha is the name. And Naga can be Naga or Naga can be Hatti, elephant. So it's Ankusha over Naga. Drushtam Ishvara Nirmitam. So here they say it is just Shita Jvara. Shita Jvara Brajasimha Rasa. So I really wonder, there are so many yogas for Shita Jvara particularly. No fever with rigors or chills is a peculiar lakshana of malaria. And there are epidemics of malaria. And Ayush 64 is a medicine developed by Ayush department at that time. And it says that it is useful in both types of malaria. I have not used, really speaking, but some cases did respond to Mahasudarshan Churna or something, and few cases did not respond at all in malaria when it's a proven case of malaria. Now the antibiotics are still working, and if the malarial parasite is positive, then allopathy can come out with good success. But when it keeps on happening again and again, in Gune Shastri, there is a lot of mention about malarial fever. And quinine was the medicine at that time. And even after many times use of quinine, the malaria used to repeat. So he explains about Lagmani Vasanta and Vasanta Kalpana in general for these kinds of repeated malaria, lapsing malaria. But treat acute case with a chill or rigor and the temperature rising to 103, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Is a tough job. And this is typically Vishamajvara. So maybe every day alternate day after 2 days or something like that, repeating it quite like that. And rather difficult. No, I had one case which was repeating in which the Jwara was repeating after 21 days, every 21 days. And it used to stay for 5-6 days or more. So these are quite difficult to handle. And what's going to be our nidana, and what's going to be our treatment for that? There are so many yogas for this particular Shita Jwara. It was not a Shita Jwara actually, but maybe these combinations to be used particularly in malaria, if that would be fine. द्वादश कबरी मूषिक युग्मं कांचन पल्लव दल विसमर्द्यं कुंजा मात्रा गुटिका बद्धा भुयोजन शीत ज्वर गर्ज सिंहा. It's quite strange. Kafari, Akupashana. So Akupashana is again and again, again and again. Maybe South being a Anupadesha, Shita Jwara must be common. Hence, so many Jwara Yoga can be mentioned. Maybe mentioned in Sahasra Yoga. Possible. This Akupashana is again and again coming. What is Kafari? That is again. Kanchana Pallava Black Dattura. Pallava Dala Samartyam. सर्वज्वरहर मात्रा. आखोस्तु विषमेकांशं शिखितुत्थं दशांशकं दुर्धरसारे संपिष्ट्वा गुलीकीकृत्य शोषये. Akuvish. Akupashan is somal. That is possible. Okay. Tripadapana matrantu Bakshay Charkarayutam Shirandam Dayatayat Tatham Sarvajvar Haram Param. Akupashan and Shikititha 10 parts. The Turupatra Swarasa and make into pills. Milk diet is advised. Tapajvarahara matra. Dvinishkam jatilingam cha amrutam nishkameva cha rohini cha chaturnishtram शीततोयेन पेशयेत् नारी क्षीरानुपानेन तथा शर्करया युतम्. माशमात्रात् गुटिका तापज्वरहरी भवेत्. हिंगुल. जातिलिंग is हिंगुल. अमृतं विवत्सनाभ रोहिणी च चतुर्निष्कम्. One mash nari kshira and sharkara. Tapajvara. So Stristanya is again, maybe in children this would be fine. Suchimukha rasa. सूतं गन्धकतालकं मनःशिला ताली भुवं तुत्थकं जम्बालं विषटं कणं कटुफलं कल्वे समांशं दृढं कृत्वा कज्जलिकां विषोज्ज्वलफणी पित्तैश्च सम्भाविता क्षिप्त्वा क्षिप्ताप्तत्वा क्षिप्ताप्तत्वा क्षिप्ताप्त काचककूपिकां कुप्यते रसः वरसूची मुखो नामतः. Yes. Difficult to make sense. ब्रह्मद्वार विकीर्ण रोपित सरसेर्गुंजा समामर्दिता उन्माद ज्वर सन्निपात करलम मेघम धनुर्वातम. अरे वाह. सूत गंधक तालक मनशिला तालिभाव माक्षिक तुत्थ जंबालम जायफळ विष टंकण कटफल. This change Katpala is appearing in between in some yogas. In equal quantity and found with Sarpapitta and then preserved in a glass jar. Specifically, they are saying glass jar. It would be kept on the skull at Brahmarandra with Sarpapitta and then preserved in a glass jar. It should be kept on the skull after giving incision in a dose of 1 gunja. Unmada Jvara Sandipata Vishadosha Prameha Dhanurvata. Whether this is available? Suchimukha Rasa. So whether this is available, because Unmada and Dhanurvata, there are very rare cases of Dhanurvata as such. Sarpapitta, yeah. So venom is to be used. Now there are methods of extracting venom, and that is in use by Hafen Institute. But this might be possible to get that. Unmada Jvara Sannipata Garalam Meham Dhanurvatam. Prameha and Dhanurvatam. So the Falashruti is quite wide. And if we have this medicine handy, गौरी पाषाण सोमलचा पर्याय म्हणून आकुपाषाण आलाय. Okay. So see whether this Suchimukha Rasa is available. Sutika Bharand Rasa is another important aspect. That is also to be used in skull. Why use Brahmarandra, sir? Any relation of entry of Atma or exit of Atma through that point in a way to do Prana Rakshana. This is an emergency treatment, and maybe the prana leaves the body through Brahmarandra. Otherwise, Sarvendriyani yenasmin prana yeshusha samshritaha yaduttamangam tat sirastadavidiyate. So prana are basically situated in this shira, and this is a direct access to this shira. So this might be for the raksha of the prana, for the protection of the prana as such. And secondly, it has some instantaneous action. Particularly in coma, this is one of the way of treating the cases of coma. And we need to bring back the practice of this. So, Murdnikakapadam Krutva, one has to take incisions on the head, and when the blood starts coming, oozing out, then put that medicine into that blood stream, and then that will that can go directly into the body. So these are very rare occurrence and नाही केले, माहिती नाही. I think in Visha Chikitsa also Brahmarandra is used in making Takapada incision and applying medicine there. Yeah, that is true. So, but this is not in use, really speaking. Suchika Bharanrasa or Sutika Bharanrasa, that is one of the medicines like this. I don't remember exactly, but that should be fine. So if we need to handle these cases, emergency cases, then we should have these medicine handy and should be able to use them as and when necessary or something like that. सर्वरोग कुलांतक रस अमृतं चैक निष्कंच तत्समं कणाचूर्णितं तयोर्हिङ्गुलमात्रेण वटी गंभीर नीरजैः शीतोदकं वा आर्द्रकं वा पिबेन्नाशप्रमाणकं राजयक्ष्मानिलश्वास ज्वरमन्दानलानपि सन्निपातं महावातं सर्वरोगकुलान्तकम्. So Falashruti is also wide. Vatsanava, Kana, Hingul, everywhere it is a Vishadravya. Either Gauri Pashana or this Vatsanava or Bhaktpura, these are being used. Of course, they have to be used after purification Shuddhi and in proper quantity as such. So Yogatapi Visham Tikšnam Uttamam Veshayam Bhavet. So even a Tikshna Visha by yoga, proper yoga. Medicine administered here in the region of Brahmarandra probably enters the brain circulation via sinuses in the brain. This might be happening. So, in acute conditions, this might be used. And Shiro is a marma, and pranas are marmashrita, that is very well known. And Shiro is a pradhan marma, etc. So this should be useful for protection of prana. That is what I feel. And it has instantaneous action due to this visha. With a size of 1 masha with about drugs taken. Rajayakshma Vataroga Shwasa Jwara Mandagni Sandipata Mahavata. Vataroga and Mahavata again both are there. रोगत्रयारी रस पारदं चामृतं गंधं सर्वं शुद्धं च कारयेत्. Mahavata might be Vata Prakopa to great extent. That's the only thing. Varavyoshena Sambisham Sarvam Turyam Vimarte Dvala Mukhyashcha Niryasa Suranam Chitrakardarakam Shigrupaunar Nave Naiva Shigrupaunar Nave Naiva Pratekam Bhavanatrayam Tatra Sasthitamadaye Dietan Gunjamatakam Navadvara Vinashaya Charvarakasya Rasena किरातं परिचन्देयं सन्निपाते त्रयोदश रोगत्रयारिर्विख्यातो रसराजेन निर्मितः शुद्धपारद अमृत वत्सनाभि शुद्धगन्धक वरा व्योष ज्वालामुखी निर्यास लांगली सूर्ण स्वरस चित्रक स्वरस आर्द्रक स्वरस शीघ्र स्वरस पुनर्नवा स्वरस So these are to be used for giving bhavana. It should be administered internally with Ardhaka Swarasya in Navajvara and Kirata and Maricha Swarasya. Maricha Swarasya in 13 types of Sandipata Sarvajvara. Kiratam Maricham Deyam Sandipate Traya Dasha Rogatrayari Vikhato Vasarajena Nirvitaha. It's a quite different part. Whether this is available? I don't remember the name of the yoga. Rogatrayari Rasa. That was the name. Rogatrayari Rasa, whether it is available. Anandarasa. Anando Hingula Gandhara Viryam Chatalakam. Tikshan Tamram Nagavange Marditam Tripulardakai. Parpatasya Kashayana Dola Yantram Dola Yantre Dinam Kache. Hunipittena Sambhavyam Munja Matram Prayoje Tatkshanena Vinashati Shitangam Sandipatakam Akradadyodanam Pratyam Nape Nalike Reje. Nalike Reje. What is Ananda? Ananda is Vachanava. Pingula Gandhaka Haravirya Parada Talaka Tikshnam Tikshna Loha Tamram Naga Vanga one party bound with Triphala and Ardhaka Kashaya. So Ardhaka maybe Rasagit should be given. Afterwards conduct Sveda and Parpata Kashaya with Parpata Kashaya by means of Dola for 1 day. Then steep the Sarpapitta, so we say Sarpapitta, and prepare pills of size of 1 gunja each. So it is Sarpapitta. I don't know whether how it is available. Sarpapitta. We have been seeing about Sarpavisha, but this is Sarpapitta. Advised to take Takra, Dati, Odana, Narikela, Jala, etc. during the course of treatment. Shitanga Sandipata. I thought Narikela leaf is to be used for the Deodana. Narikela J, that was the palm. Takradadhyodanam Patyam Nape Nalike Raje. So Nalike Raja Patra. One should be given Takradadhyodana. That I think it's a better thing to use. I don't think this is available. Chandabhaskara Rasa. Harabijamrutaballi Pratyekam Nishka Samhitam Tankanam Dasha Nishkancha Jambalam Vimshatistatha Shuddha Khalvatale Kshiptva Nirgundi Rasamarditam Mudga Pramana Gutikam Gudine Sahabakshe Pandushokodaravarta Gulma Pliha Gudakrumi Ajirnam Amashulancha Deepanam Pachanam Dram Puranancha Gvaram Meham Mutra Kruchrash Marin Branam Sarva Vyadhi Harashigram Rasoyam Chandabhaskaraha Harabija Parada Amruta Vatsalabha Balis Gandhaka Tankana 10 parts, Jambalam Vimshatisthatha, Zaifar 20 parts, Shuddha Kalva Talakshitra Nirgundi Rasamardita. To be given bhavana of Nirgundi Swarasa. Pandushopa Udavarta Gulma Pliha Gudak Primi. So maybe is this available? Chandamaskara Rasa. Nirgundi Swarasa and internally with Buddha. So Pandushopa Udaravarta Gulma Pliha Gudak Primi. Avarta has no meaning. Pandushopa Udavarta. It's not Udaravarta. Shopodaravarta. So I thought I read something wrong, but it is Udaravarta only. Pandushopham Udavartam, that would be better. Pandushopho Daravarta has no meaning. So anyway, there are many misprints in this Sanskrit. Udavarta Gulma Pliha Udaroga Kurmi Ajirna Ama Shula Deepana Pachana Purana Jvara Prameha Mutrakuchra Ashmari Vrana Sarvaro. So Falashruti is quite wide, and basically this is Pachana and Deepana that is more important, and Udavarta and other things as well. Neelakantha Rasa Sutangandam Lohancha Sutangandaka Lohancha Visham Chitraka Patrakam Vidangam Renukam Mustam Ela Tankana Kesaram Tikati Trifalanancha Chulva Bhasma Tathaiva Etani Samabhagani Gudam Vigudam Uchate Kyamatram Vating Katva Vakshay Vidina Naraha Shwasan Kasam Chayan Gulmam Prameham Vishamadvaram Hidmayang Grahani Doshe Shofe Pandav Bhagandare Mutrakrishte Mudha Garve Vatavaroge Chavarina Nilakantha Raso Nama Yogasyat Brahma Nirmitaha. So this should not be very difficult to prepare. Whether this is available, the Falashruti is quite wide. And even in Mudha Garbha, Sutam Parata Gandhaka Loha Visha Chitraka Patraka Tejapatra Viranga Renuka Musta Ela Tankana Keshara Nahu Keshara Sikatu Tripala Shulba Bhasma 1 part each. Buddha double the quantity of the above all. Prepare pills with a size of Chanaka with the above drugs taken in specified quantity. Shwasa, Kasa, Kshaya, Gulma, Prameha, Vishamajvara, Hidma, Grahani, Shofa, Pandu, Bagandara, Mutrakuchra, Mudagarbha, Vataroga. So is this Neelakantha Rasa available? I think the Rasa Shastra tradition from south has diminished. Only the Asava, Arishta, Bhrita, Taila, and Gutika, these is existing. But particularly this Rasa Shastra tradition in Bruhan Nigantu Ratnakara and Rasendra Sara Sangraha. The Ganeshwara Rasa. Abrakam Vatsanabhancha Lohavasmum Tragandakam Shuddhasutam Pranam Shuntim Pratyekam Nishkasamritam Ardraka Dravasayuktam Ardair Divasatrayam Mashadvayam Lihet Chaudhary Shwasan Kasam Chapinasam Mandagnim Matarogancha Amrapittam Vinashe Gaganeshwara Namayam Namoyam Raso Bhaskara Nirmitaha Abraka Vatsanabha Loha Gandhaka Shuddhasuta Pranashunti. And this is even for Amlapitta, that is peculiar. Shwasa, Kasa, Pinasa, Mandagni, Vataroga, and Amlapitta. There are many cases in Sandhivata having influence of Amlapitta. No, that might be originally, or that might be due to the effect of the painkillers given or analgesics that are used by conventional medicine. So they become quite difficult to handle because whatever Ushnavirya medicine that you want to give provokes that Amlapitta. And so there are very few choices of medicine. I generally tend to use Mahapitta Sakrita with Guruchi Siddha Kshira, Suvarna Guruchi Siddha Kshira in these cases, and maybe Suvarna Bhupati in a small dose, and may have to use Abhipattikara or Patha Mishran at night to take care of this. So this seems a Gaganeshwara Rasa seems to be better, and Gagana is Abraka. So there is another yoga in Amalapitta. I learned it from the Nanal, Sarvapu Nanal. That is containing Abraka, and that is for Amalapitta, and available in the market. Doesn't anybody remember it? Huh? रसच आहे. Strange. Amlapittari Loha not. That is not the thing. Okay, I will remember. Lakshmi Leela Vilasaras. Yeah, that's true. So Vaidya Nanal was using Leela Vilasaras, particularly when there are psychological factors associated with Amlapitta. Then Leela Vilasaras is a better choice. Suvarna Suchekhar is also a choice, but with Samapitta, that's a better choice. And Vasantu Kusumakar for psychological factors also is a good. So I tend to use Vasantu Kusumakar, Rasapachak and Lavangani in the morning with Mahakalyanaka and Leela Vilasaras and Kamdudha, etc. after meals in these cases. And if it is even Sandhigata Vata along with this, then we may have to go for Mahatikta Kavirta and Suvarna Guruchi Kshira, etc. So I have not used Amlapittari Loha as such. Maybe. No, sir. Deshmukh sir has this Amlapittari Avleha, and that is just Gorakchinsa, Gorakshar. That is fine, but availability is uncertain. So Abrak Basma has peculiar action on Manasa Bhavas, and so that might be used. So Abraka Vatsanabha Loha Basma Gandhaka Shuddha Suta Kana Pippali Shuntivan Party Ardraka Swarasa for 3 days to be given with Madhu. Shwasa Kasa Pinasa Mandagni Vataroga and Amrapitta. Lord Bhaskara formulated this Ganeshwara Rasa. Raso Bhaskara Nirmitaha. Now, when they mention about this Bhaskara Nirmita, Brahma Nirmita, etc., so where are the texts of these are available or something? That is again controversial issue. Jatilingadi Kutika. Jatilingam, Trikatakam, Haritalam, Manushila, Tankanam, Vatsanabham, Chapeshe, Ardrakadravaihi, Harindari Jale, Harindari Jale, Chapi Guligi Kritya Shoshet, Kasam Shwasancha Hikancha Kshayan Kasamcha Nashe, Hingula, Trikato, Haritala, Manushila, Tankan, Vatsanabha, Ardrakasvarase, and Haringari, Harita Manjari Swarase. So Harita Manjari is one of these is Tulasi, but there is another Harita Manjari, Kasa Shwasa Hikakshaya. So Leela Vilas Ras is also a good medicine. Shula Kuthara Rasa. Paradan Tankanam Gandham Trifala Vyosha Talakam. Vishantamrancha Jambalam. Tridanam Brungamarditam. Gunja Pramana Gutikam Marchina Atrakena. Khadet Shula Kutharayam Vishnu Chakram Vivasana. How can Hartal Manashila Vatsanabha be useful in Shraya? Why so? If there is Srotarodha, then they can be of use. They will remove the Srotarodha and then would be useful in Kshaya. So Harita Manjari, I am also in doubt. Parada Tankana Gandhaka Trifala Vyosha Talaka Haritala Visha Vatsanavi Tamra Jambala is Jaifar. One part each. With about that's taken in equal quantity and pounded with Bhrangaraja Sarasa for 3 days. Sarva Shula. Shula Kotharayam Vishwa Chakram Vivasana. Bruhandiganta Ratnakar. So Bruhandiganta Ratnakar seems to be famous. And there are many yogas from Bruhandiganta Ratnakar as well. So it's not very difficult to prepare this Shula Kuthara Rasa. And maybe Mangesh, you are present. Try to prepare this because Shula is one of the important symptoms in cancer, very troublesome symptom. And maybe we try to Jaipal. Jaipal ka Jaipal. The actions will be totally opposite to each other. Jambalam. तुमच्याकडे जंबाल काय दिलंय? गुल्मकुलांतक. अयश्चूर्णं पंचनिष्ठं गंधकंच मनःशिला पृथक् चूर्णं द्विनिष्ठं च पारदं निष्ठमात्रकम् कुमारी रसे पिष्ट्वा तीक्ष्णातपविनिवेशिता वोषसेन्धवयोर्भूयः त्रिफलानि अभयां पुनः षट्फलं भस्मना तेन योज्यं भृङ्गरसेन च पिष्ट्वा चणकमानेन कृत्वा च गुलिकां सिद्धिः वातं गुल्मं च कासं च स्वरस्वादानि मन्दतां श्वित्रकं जलगुल्मं च लिहमर्षांसि पुष्टकं ध्रुवं जवति योगोऽयं नामा गुल्मकुलान्तकः. Shula available. So let us try to bring this Shula Kuthara.
केवडा
कशाचा केवडा?
जंबाल
जंबाल केवडा.
शेवाळ
जंबाल का एक अर्थ केवड़ा इस प्रकार का भी है.
शेवाळ
हाँ
शेवाळ शेवाळ शेवाळ
शेवाळ. So maybe Shula Kuthara we have to bring by. We need to get the therapeutic index of different companies and see what is available in the market. Somebody said there is one book, no, ABS. Indication is abdominal colic. So गुल्मकुलांतक अयश्चूर्ण गंधक मनशिला पारद found with Kumareswars and then exposed to sunlight powder and Vyosha Sandhava Abhaya 6 color found with Bhringarajaswaras and make into pills. So you have to give one bhavana and then dry it and then again add churnas and then again give another bhavana Bhringarajaswaras. वातगुल्म कास स्वरसाद अग्निमांद्य श्वित्र जलकुर्म. What is जलकुर्म? लिहा अर्श संकुष्ठ. Jalakurma I don't understand. Might be Naru or something. Now there were many cases of this Naru reported by Gangana Shastri Pune and others. And allopathy has found its cycle in the universe and within the body. And then it penetrates and it comes out. And one has to be very cautious that it comes out completely. So till then, that is to be preserved or that it will be protected till it comes out completely. Now I have not seen cases of Naru, and this was very common with the well water. Many people suffering from this Naru. I don't remember the English name of this. It's a kind of Gandupada Krumi associated with the Jala. Now these cases I have not heard. Cyclone. Anyway, we have to Guinea worm, Ascaris. जलगुल्म असा आलाय. Jalagulma is again a difficult thing to Snayu. That is another. नारूने मुख करून बाहेर यायला लागायला किती की काडीवर हळूहळू गुंडाळून काढताना पाहिले. ओके, तो तुमने देखा है, ये तो अजीब है, मैंने भी नहीं देखा है. पायावर किंवा हातावर कुठूनही येतो बाहेर. Yes, that is true. Guinea worm, Ascaris. So this is due to this infected water. That is true. Dracunculus medinensis. Okay, so I have not seen actually, but this seems Gulmakalantakarasa. This seems to be a better part if it is available to be used in varieties of diseases. धरणीचा आदिवासी भागात. Okay. But then when it starts coming out, then cautiously it should be allowed to come out. That's all. Naru YouTube वर available असावा. YouTube you can have anything. So real found out फोडणीची पोळी on YouTube and prepared. So YouTube may have anything in the context. So anyway, if they said तुकडा झाला की पुन्हा दुसरीकडून येईल. That is true. So जलगुल्म, this is strange. Gulmakulantakarasa. See whether this is available or not. And it is even good for Shvitra. What I have found that there are very few yogas for Shvitra as such. And Shvitra is quite troublesome disease. The success is very low and unpredictable. Most important is success is unpredictable. So शंखपाणी रस शुद्धसूतं विषंगंधं तलांशं मर्दय दृढं मरीचं मागधी शुंठी हिंगुचैव द्वयं द्वयं पलाष्टकं च लवणं चिंचाक्षारं पलाष्टकं सप्तवारं दग्धशंखं जंबीराम्लेन पेषेत् पलाष्टकं च संयोज्यं सर्वं जंबीरनीरके मर्दयेत् दिनमेकं तु तीक्ष्णातपवटीकृताम् पिबेद अम्लकसारेण पंचगुल्म निवारण ग्रहणीरोगम अर्शश्च तथापि सारनाशनम् सर्वव्याधिहरं शीघ्रं रसोऽयं चक्रपाणिः. So चक्रपाणि. So Chakrapani is Vishnu or Dhanvantari. And Chakram Pano Yasya Saha Shuddha Suta Parada Visha Vatsanabha Gandhaka Maricha Magadhi Shunti Hingu Lavana Chinsakshara Shankha Bhasma. साडेसात झाले का?
गणेश दोष
गणेश दोषी कोणता बोलतोस का? बोलतो नंतर. Specified kind bound with Jambira Swarasa intensity. 8 of Jambira Swarasa for one more. पंचगुल्म ग्रहणी अर्शस अतिसार सर्व रोग शंखपाणी रस. So then Ananda Rasa. Let us conclude today and continue tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित इह हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिल जन कृपा व्याप्त चित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने काञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गोऽहिनं विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः श्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः।